Differential equations can be used to describe just about every phenomenon that we encounter in the world. For example, the way this cell phone sends and receives signals. How the planets in our solar system orbit the sun. The way gossip flows through a large social network. Your ability to absorb vitamin C in orange juice to protect against a cold. The way that cold virus spreads through the MIT math department. And the notes and harmonics created when playing the guitar.
In this course, we will explore models of systems involving 3 or more differential equations,
such as the tune mass dampers installed in tall buildings to minimize swaying caused by wind,
or 3 species of animals competing for the same food source,
or the motion of a rider along a zipline.
Scientists and engineers use linear algebra to study systems of 3 or more differential equations.
After this course, you can too.